work for you guys. So I'm gonna do one, and I'm gonna explain to everybody what you're supposed to do with the tumbler press. I'm gonna do time, temp, all of that. I'm gonna show you what I'm supposed to do with the tumbler press. So, the first thing I showed y'all something that was actually kind of wrong. So I'm gonna show you the right way. We're using Greatblanks paper. It works the best with tumblers. If you're doing tumblers, Greatblanks paper works if you're using the mug press, it's the absolutely best paper to use. So, first thing I'm gonna do, I think I'm pretty good, pretty even. So I'm gonna put my tumbler's head down, and I'm gonna get even all the way around on the cup, and I'm gonna pull it pretty tight. Got my heat tape going. Hold up. Let me get rid of this bad piece of tape. So, first thing I'm gonna do is tape around like this, just to hold it tight. Then I'm gonna take one more piece of tape. Got it down. Got a nice even. So this is just the mug press that I'm doing. Just show y'all right quick. Because a lot of people have been making mistakes. They're complaining about certain things. I'm going to show you what y'all doing wrong. All right. So now, as you see, I'm taping my seam closed right here. I'm not putting no tape on the edges. Taping my seam closed. I'm gonna explain to you why I'm not doing the edges in a minute. So I got it nice and even on there. Got it nice and even on there. I'm gonna put the paper to the test. They say you don't need butcher paper. I'm gonna do it without butcher paper. Put it to the test. So, this is where a lot of people are making a mistake at. You already turned on your heat press. You letting the pad get super hot. And then you saying, oh, it's starting to smoke. Right at the top, it says, no heating up without mug. Which means you don't supposed to just let the pad sit still hot. That's any heat press, any mug press, cup press. You don't just sit it. It don't sit like this. It just sit there. Oh, let me sit there and let it do that. No, you don't. You turn it on. Now I got mine already set. Let me see if what my time is at. What? Oh yeah, I'm on Fahrenheit. See how quickly this thing is getting up to temp? Let me show y'all. I'm already at 122, 133 degrees, 148. I'm going to get up to I want to be about 370, 380. I don't need to get up to 400. Not with a cup press. You're putting direct heat onto the cup. So do not, all the rules you do with the oven, throw them out the window. This is not an oven. So everything you do with stuff like this, or the ovens, the convection ovens, Throw them rules out the window. They don't apply to this right here when you're doing a mug. They just don't. Look, I'm at 250. It doesn't take long to get up to temp. So that's why you don't just sit there and let it sit. Hey, you don't let it just sit. And guess, oh, let's let it get hot and sit there and be at 400. Now the pad starts to burn up. Then, like I said, the heat pad is not under warranty. I sell extra heat pads. If the heat pad is going bad, that's because you didn't follow instructions. Yeah, I'm telling it like it is today. So, look, I'm almost there. So, let me get my glove too, because you definitely need a glove if you're doing an all-around design. If you're not doing an all-around design, you don't need the glove. But we doing an all-around design. So I'm getting almost up to temp. Let's see. Yeah, I got it set for 374 and 50 seconds. Okay. So we almost at 374. So we're gonna be at 374 but as long as you're above 360, you're fine. But I'm doing 374 today for 60 seconds. So I'm at temp. I'm gonna slide my mug press in. My mug in the mug press. Now, I'm pressing. I start my timer. I'm at 50 seconds. Not 2 minutes. Not 5 minutes. Not 8 minutes. 50 seconds. That's where I'm at. I'm at 50 seconds. So, even the paper that comes with the press tells you 40 to 60 seconds. It's a paper that comes in there that says when you're doing a metal cup, 40 to 60 seconds. So, everybody who, I pressed it for 2 minutes and it overcooked. Yeah, you overcooked it. Of course you overcooked it. You overcooked it. Because I'm at 50 seconds. So let me show you. Now, I pop it open. I turn my cup. I turn my cup because a part of it stays open. Right? So I'm still there. I press it. I start my clock, but this time I'm only going to do half the time. I'm not going to even do the full 50 seconds. I'm watching my clock. I'm going to do 25 seconds. That's it. 25 seconds. So I'm almost there right there. Because the cup is already hot. You're just really finishing off that one part that didn't get part in the press. So now I'm done. I'm done. So now I turn off my heat press. Why? Now heat. Gonna create some smoke. It's cold air. Okay? So I turn off my heat press because I'm not gonna burn up my pad. Unless I got multiple cups to do. If I got multiple cups, I'm already ready and I'm dropping my next one and I'm keep going. But the little steam that just came off is just natural air. Now let's see if I know what I'm talking about. The reason I didn't tape the edges, the first time I did this, I taped the edges. The reason I didn't, I learned that air gets trapped. When this thing presses, it pushes all the air. And the air needs to escape. So the air gets trapped here and then your edges don't come out right. That's why I didn't tape around the edge. Because the air gets trapped in it, and so you're not fully contacted there. If you leave it there and let the air press out, you fully contact. I'm trying to give it a little time to cool off so that I can peel this tape.
You want a butter knife? Oh, you got it.
So now I just peel this tape. Let's just see how it come out. Wow, look at that. Wow, look at that. 50 seconds. That's what I'm telling y'all. 50 seconds. Look at my nice even line up top. I'm going to go close on it so y'all can see. Look at that. 50 seconds. 25 seconds on the part that you didn't get in the press the first time. Look at that bottom. Nice and even. Little bitty tape. I didn't even tape it that hard. Look at that. I do got that seam. I'm not that good. But, bam. Fully sublimated. 50 seconds. And if you're doing full sublimation, 50 plus 25. That's it. Turn it off. You're done. That's it. No 2 minutes. You're going to burn the paper onto the cup. No I did for 5 minutes. That's too long. Way too long. This is made for efficiency and professionalism.
Show them the paper.
And then, this is why I said our paper is the best one to use for that. Look at that ink release. All the ink gone. It's on the cup. It's on the cup. So, that's the instructions on how to use this mug press. This tumbler press. Wrap your tumbler. Tape it like you saw me. Little tape. Let the press do its job. It's going to push the air out. It's going to press the image on there. And the heat going to release the ink. You're going to set it for like 375 to 365, 375, not 400. And when you come off and you open it up, yeah, the moisture and stuff, you're going to see a little steam come up. That's the moisture from the cup, moisture from the paper, whatever. A little steam come up, that's it. You're good. So that's all I wanted to do is clarify the press today. The mug press. Penny, thank you. My edges didn't come out. I was explaining that. Instead, like when you tape it, Penny, the first time I did it, and I showed you wrong, and I apologize. That was my fault. I taped all the edges up. You don't tape the edges. Leave it so that the air can escape out of it. When the press, the air going to escape out the sides, and then you get that nice even look. Because you're getting a little bubble look at the tops. I know what you're getting. And that's the mistake I was making. So you just tape along the seam. When you tape across here to hold it, then tape like right along the seam to make sure that this doesn't open up on you. That's it, Penny. Little bitty tape. There ain't no big, massive tape job needed. It takes all the work that you used to do with the ovens away. It's for efficiency. It's for professionalism. That's what it is. It's not to keep doing the same thing that you were doing. The mug press works like a champ. Tape it right. Tape it right. Hey, sweetie. Just tape the cup correctly and set the heat and the time, and you'll be good. If you got a minute on there, you're going too long. If you got 2 minutes, you way too long. You're going to cook the paper onto the cup. 50 seconds. That's all it takes. And if you're doing full color, 50 seconds, turn the cup, 25 seconds. That's all it takes. That's all it takes. Less than a minute, you'll have your cup done. All right, I'm going to get off of here because I got to go. I gotta do some work. But I just wanted to show y'all that. I'm gonna pin this in the group, in our Facebook group. And we're gonna put it on YouTube. So, see you guys later.